a perfect day to go out with the Black Widow. I got my helmet on today so I don't get mud in my eyes, and the visor will protect me, and away we go with the 2.2 mudslingers. Woohoo! Oh, nice. It's like baby poo, just slop, pig slop. One of the commenters in my last mud videos, I've been doing quite a few of them, of course, during the spring melt, said, get into some really soupy, thick stuff. And this is about as soupy as this stuff can get, even if you kind of mix it up. It's more like a concrete, like a sand and gravel and clay mixture. Man, what an amazing day. Yeah, that's getting down there. One of the things I always say in my mud videos is I love seeing RCs go backwards through the mud, because just powering through that stuff, oh my god, there's a ton of power in this. I've got a 7,000 milliamp, so a long run time on a 3S LiPo in there, so basically 12 volts. It's only at half throttle. Let's see if I can do this for you guys here. Yeah! Ah, the garden, the one place I know it's been churned up and burned up and used a ton. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? Oh, I got smoke. Look at this, smoking. Something must be short in here. Whew, so good, she's smoking. I better unplug her. Oh yeah, the connection's hot. Doesn't smell burned out, but definitely look at, I'm cooking it a little bit in there. Well, still smoking. Not a good sign. This is the kind of mud it is in here. Look at this. I just sink my foot in there and it's quicksand. No wonder that ESC is working hard. Ugh, great slow-mo shots. Oh my god. Okay. It weighs about 3 times more than it should. Our kind of sand slash clay slash dirt, you know, it all turns into like this heavy cement compound. Hey, you can see it. And if I didn't rinse all this off immediately, it would just become caked on. So let's blast it. You can see why I wore my visor. And to leave the video off to answer your guys' question, yes, this is the bottom of a shower, which we made into a wash table, which washes the earth back to the earth. What came from the earth goes back, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a compressor, basically going to dry off all the components that I can see, open it up, take the battery out, make sure I don't see any grass in the hungry axle areas or anything wrapped around. And if you missed the previous video, I'll link it up in the info bubble so you guys can check out how I assembled. Basically these axles, just packed them full of grease, so there's not a lot of chance for the dirt and mud to get on the inside. And if you look close, because many of you know the Black Widow, you will see this wasn't the first fire it had had. No, this has been through many ESCs and mud bogs, and a lot of people say, is it worth it to go through that and wreck it and, you know, have to go through all the work? And I say, you know what, that's why I build them. It's part of the fun. I get to go outside, enjoy the sun. Guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the film today. You've left me a like, click, maybe you've commented on how badass the Black Widow is, and we will see you in the next episode of RC Adventures. Now, if you're able, get outside and enjoy some RC, or build one. Make sure to do your maintenance. Now's the time.